Wilderness Tips with Brett Dennen. Bird calling.
Birds are an amazing part of nature's symphony. Just listen. A red-breasted hoover. A tussle-thrusted needler, if I'm not mistaken. Bird calling can be a challenging hobby, but with a little practice, one can make communicating with these feathered beauties a lifetime of pleasure. Hey! Hey, birds! Do any birds feel like talking? Hey, bird!
This has been a wilderness tip from Brett Dennen. Check out Brett's new album, Smoke and Mirrors, on F-Stop Atlantic.